If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Tanggal 31 bulan 8 57, merdeka, merdeka, tetaplah merdeka, ya pasti menjadi sejarah. Tanggal 31 bulan 8 57, hari yang mulia, hari bahagia, sambut dengan jiwa yang merdeka. Mari kita seluruh warga negara.
When tomorrow comes, I'll be on my own, feeling frightened of the things that I don't know. When tomorrow comes, tomorrow comes, tomorrow comes. And though the road is long, I look up to the sky, and in the dark I found lost hope that I won't fly. And I sing along, I sing along, then I sing along. I got all I need when I got you and I look around me and see a sweet life. Stuck in the dark, but you're my flashlight. You're getting me through the night. You stole my heart when you shine it in my eyes. Can't lie, it's a sweet life. I'm stuck in the dark, but you're my flashlight. You're getting me through the night. 'Cause you're my flashlight. You're my flashlight. You're my flashlight. Oh, I see the shadows long beneath the mountaintop. I'm not afraid when the rain won't stop. 'Cause you light the way. You light the way. You light the way.
Bersani mengalirlah kau, menjadi raksa mengisi berikat tubuhku. Agar aku bisa berdiri, tegap dan segak bagai kau, Laksmana Melayu. Sepuluh helai daun sirih gentas bersama bunga cengkir, jadilah kau. Darah merah pekat mengisi uratku agar bisa ku berlangkah, gagah dan tampan bagaikan jantan-jantan Joko. Di mana bumi ku pindah, langit ku junjung, alam-alam penuh perkasa, biar sampai ke pangkalan